Welcome back to my Design 101 series. I will show you how the design mechanics in Interstellar Rift work and what you can do with them. This time I will talk about the topic glitching or stacking. Please note, stacking is intended and the developers use it on their own chips. Stacking can be separated in three categories: functional stacking, deco stacking and room stacking. Let's set some basics. Blocks with the same rotation can't be stacked. For that matter, most of the 1x1 blocks can't be stacked with themselves. One exception is the large power cell. Smaller than 1x1 blocks, like batteries and small power cells, are also stackable and combined without problems. By combining this knowledge, we can make a 1x1 energy powerhouse that is more than enough for a small ship. This is why functional stacking is used by most users. The same components can be integrated into a smaller space. Let's look at other examples of functional stacking. Extractors can be space efficiently placed in this pattern. The same with refineries. This example is where functional and deco stacking mixes. The Tesla coils look perfect in this setting and can still operate like normal. While we're at it, let's look at deco stacking. Like the name suggests, the only benefit it gives is that it looks good, but it's still one of the most important parts of interior design. Every deco wall or separator can be stacked, even room separating walls can be integrated. The last one is room stacking. This one allows you to have one component in multiple rooms so that you can use more of your ship. Let's look at how we can combine those three elements to make our ships look interesting and space efficient. For that I have prepared some rooms in which I combine function and deco stacking. The first room shows how a small engineering room can look like. 2 medium and 1 small hydrogen tank is enough to power a small 50k mass ship for a while. The second one shows how you can stack large hydrogen generators in an efficient manner. Now let's look at an example arrival room, where you can respawn and have a small protection against intruders. Okay, here we have a prime example of functional stacking. In this small space you have 2 medium ship generators and 2 large armor generators. This should be enough for any ship and can be placed everywhere in this form factor. Now we will have a look at some examples of how you can decorate a room by stacking. And when you add functional stacking, you get protection for your medium rift generator. The last one is one that I built in every T3 ship. It looks epic and you have storage for Xanthium and your rift cartridges. Also, you get easy access to the bridge with the local teleporter. So this rounds up the episode on stacking. If this helped you, consider dropping a like and a sub so you don't miss my next videos.